In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter status in Notion. Filtering by status is one of the simplest ways to turn a long, messy database into a clear, focused view of just the items you care about. Maybe you only want to see tasks that are in progress, or only items that are blocked, or only the things you've already completed. I'll walk you through how to set that up step by step using Notion's built-in filter tools. First, open the database or board where you track your tasks or projects. This could be a table, a list, a board view, or even a calendar, as long as it has a status property set up. At the top of the view, look for the controls where you can customize things. You should see an option labeled Filter. Go ahead and click on Filter. This opens the panel where you can decide exactly what you want to show or hide. Next, in that filter panel, click on Add Advanced Filter. This tells Notion that you want more control than a basic single condition. Advanced filters let you combine properties and create very specific views, but for now we'll focus on status. Once you click that, a new filter row appears with a drop-down that usually starts with name or another property. Click on the word name in that drop-down. That's just the default property Notion picked for you. We don't want to filter by the page name, we want to filter by status instead. When you click it, you'll see a list of all the properties in your database. From that list, click on Status. This switches the filter to use the status property, which is specially designed for workflows like to do, in progress, and done. Once status is selected, Notion will adjust the filter options to match that property type. Now look to the right of that and click on Select an option. This is where you tell Notion which status or statuses you actually want to see. When you click it, you'll see a list of all the possible statuses defined for that database. Finally, check the boxes of the status options you want to show. For example, you might only check In Progress and Blocked to focus on active work, or just To Do to see what's coming up next. As you tick these boxes, you'll see your database instantly update, hiding anything that doesn't match the statuses you selected. You can adjust these at any time and even combine them with other